Conservatives who want their Adrift party to have a radical edge say Argentina's Javier Milei could provide a role model. Kemi Badenoch could take inspiration from radical figures including the chainsaw-wielding president of Argentina, according to a think tank dedicated to making the most of Brexit. A new report points to the likes of Argentina's Javier Milei and Canadian Conservative leader Pierre Poilievre among potential role models for an Adrift. Mr. Milei brandished a chainsaw on the campaign trail to signal his determination to cut government spending. The self-styled anarcho-capitalist has since given billionaire Elon Musk, who is overseeing sweeping cuts to programs in the United States, a chainsaw engraved with the words "Viva la Libertad, Carajo," which translates to "Long live liberty, damn it." Lee Rotherham, a veteran of the 2016 Vote Leave campaign who is now director of the Red Cell think tank, insists that Democratic pushing for a similar spirit in the Conservative Party. He writes, "Politicians who acknowledge problems rather than hide them, spokesmen who come up with ideas to fix failures rather than cover them up. These are fresh concepts to many members of the public. Voters aren't stupid. They can see that systems are broken, not least the management of immigration and making criminals pay." Report co-author Ian Bettles writes, "The UK is not about to dance with anarcho-capitalism, but there is a growing sense that the status quo on economic policy is broken, and that tinkering with tax bans, planning reform and national insurance contributions simply won't cut it. Through that lens, the radicalism of Milei, and the determination to arrest decline even if it means sacrifices resulting from a short-term shock, is worth examining."
Cuando tú no estás conmigo, ¿cómo gritarle a los vientos que me perteneces, que te necesito? ¿Cómo explicar la alegría cuando tú estás a mi lado? Yo sé que no hay en el mundo un amor más grande como el que me has dado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre mil veces te amo. Y aunque no creo merecerte, doy gracias al cielo de haberte encontrado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre mil veces te amo. Que Dios bendiga tus ojos, tu cara bonita, tu amor, tus encantos.